Welcome back to Health After 60, where we unlock the secrets to revitalizing your body and maintaining independence as you age. Do you often experience heaviness, uncomfortable swelling, or a dull aching in your legs that makes daily movement feel like a burden? This common condition is not just about discomfort. It is a sign that your blood circulation is struggling to return upward. Today, we reveal insights from top surgeons about why your circulation slows down and exactly how you can fix it naturally. Many people believe that simply walking more is the answer, but for some, walking can actually be painful or even impossible. The secret lies in activating what doctors call your second heart, the powerful muscles in your calves that pump blood upward. When these muscles contract effectively, they squeeze the deep veins, forcing blood against gravity and back to your heart for oxygenation. We have curated 5 specific exercises, ranked from basic to most critical, designed to wake up this dormant second heart system. Let us begin with position number 5, the ankle pumps, a gentle movement you can perform while sitting anywhere in your home. This foundational exercise is perfect for those with limited mobility or those who spend a lot of time sitting down daily. Start by lifting your toes up towards your shins as high as possible, feeling a stretch in the front of your leg. Now, reverse the motion by lifting your heels high, pressing your toes down, and engaging your calf muscles at the back. Perform this rocking motion rhythmically, like you are pressing a pedal, to mechanically pump fluid out of your lower extremities effectively. This simple mechanical action helps push stagnant blood and lymphatic fluid away from your ankles, reducing swelling and discomfort significantly. You should aim to perform this movement for about 1 minute, ensuring you feel the muscles working without causing any pain. Focus on maximizing your range of motion with every repetition, as a larger movement creates a stronger pump for your circulation. Regularly performing ankle pumps can prevent fluid accumulation, making your legs feel lighter and more agile throughout the entire day. Take a brief moment to rest and notice the warm sensation in your lower legs, which indicates improved blood flow immediately. Moving on to position number 4, the seated Venus return lift, which targets the upper leg muscles and the hip flexors. While calf muscles are crucial, we must also engage the thighs and hips to ensure a complete pathway for blood return. Lift one knee up towards your chest as high as comfortable, engaging your core and the front of your thigh muscles. This lifting action activates the large muscles of the thigh, which act as a secondary pump to assist the calves below. Lower your leg slowly with control, then switch to the other side, creating a slow marching rhythm while you remain seated. Strengthening these hip flexors is essential for walking speed and stability, which are vital for maintaining an active lifestyle after 60. Ensure you are not using momentum to swing your leg up. Controlled movement is the key to safety and maximum effectiveness. Keep your spine tall and avoid rounding your back, as good posture allows for better circulation and prevents unwanted lower back strain. As you get stronger, you can slightly increase the pace, turning this into a seated cardio workout for your heart health. Improving your hip strength directly translates to a more confident stride and a reduced risk of shuffling your feet while walking. Relax your legs now. You have successfully engaged the upper pathway for your circulation. Now, we must stand up for more. We have reached position number 3, the calf pump walk with support, a critical exercise for building functional standing strength. Safety is our priority. Please stand behind a sturdy chair or hold on to a kitchen counter to maintain your balance completely. Simulate a walking motion by lifting one heel high while keeping the toes on the ground, then alternating to the other foot. This exercise isolates the calf muscles without the impact of striking the ground, making it safe for those with joint pain. This continuous pumping action is extremely effective at driving venous blood back up to the heart, combating the effects of gravity. Studies show that calf muscle circumference is a strong predictor of independence and survival in older adults, so keep them strong. Focus on the height of your heel lift. The higher you go, the more you squeeze the veins deep inside the muscle. Use the chair only for balance, not to support your weight. Let your legs do the work to gain the full benefit. Keep your ankles aligned and avoid letting them roll outward. Proper alignment ensures the force is directed correctly through the muscle. You might feel a burning sensation in your calves. That is a good sign that your muscles are waking up and strengthening. Imagine each step you take is pushing a fresh wave of oxygenated blood throughout your entire body, nourishing every single cell. Rest for a moment and shake out your legs. We are building up intensity, and you are doing a wonderful job so far. Now for position number 2, the single leg. Circulation hold. This exercise challenges your balance and stabilizes your deep core muscles. Stand sideways to your support. Shift your weight completely onto one leg, keeping your knee slightly soft, not locked out tight. Lift your other foot off the ground. By standing on one leg, you force the stabilizing muscles to contract continuously and firmly. Notice the small twitches in your ankle. These micro movements are constantly pumping blood while improving your balance to prevent future falls. Falls are a major risk after 60. This exercise hits 2 birds with 1 stone, improving circulation and enhancing your stability. If you feel confident, try hovering your hand above the chair for a few seconds to further challenge your nervous system. Let us switch sides. It is normal for one leg to feel stronger or more stable than the other leg initially. The static tension in your standing leg creates a sustained pressure that helps push blood out of the deep muscle compartments. Aim to hold this position for about 20 to 30 seconds on each side. Breathe normally and do not hold your breath. Place your foot down. You are building a foundation that will support your mobility and independence for many years to come. With better balance and circulation, navigating stairs or uneven terrain becomes much less daunting and far more manageable for you. We have arrived at the most important moment. The final exercise is the absolute key to unlocking your maximum circulatory potential. Here is position number 1, the standing calf pump hold. This is the single most effective move for poor leg circulation. Return to your position behind the chair. This exercise combines the movement of the pump with the power of a static hold. Raise both heels off the ground simultaneously. Rise up onto your toes as high as you can, engaging both calves fully. Here is the secret. Do not drop down immediately. Hold this peak position for 3 full seconds. 1, 2, 3. This pause is crucial. It maximizes the pressure inside your veins, forcing the blood to overcome gravity and shoot upwards effectively. Lower your heels slowly. Do not just drop. Control the descent to work the muscles during the lengthening phase as well. Repeat this pattern. Lift up, hold for 3 seconds to squeeze the veins, and lower slowly. This rhythm is your medicine. This is not about speed. It is about the quality of the contraction. You are manually pumping your own blood flow. Medical experts agree that this specific mechanism is the most efficient way to empty the deep veins of the lower leg. Aim for 10 to 15 repetitions. If you can do this daily, you will notice a significant reduction in ankle swelling. Strong calves act as a powerful shield against circulation problems, varicose veins, and the fatigue that keeps you sitting on the couch. Great work! You have just completed a comprehensive routine to reactivate your second heart and restore life to your legs. Remember these 5 moves. Start with the seated ankle pumps and work your way up to the standing calf pump hold. Consistency is key. Doing these simple exercises every day can give you the freedom to enjoy precious moments with your loved ones. Your health is in your hands, or rather, in your legs. Take action today to ensure a mobile and happy tomorrow. If you found this video helpful, please like and share it with friends who might need it. Do not forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching. Health After 60. Keep moving, stay strong, and we will see you in the next video. Goodbye. Even when you are resting outdoors, a gentle massage on your calves can stimulate blood flow and help you feel more relaxed. Remember that staying hydrated is also crucial for circulation. Water helps thin the blood, making it easier to pump through veins. Incorporate short walks into your daily routine inside your home. Every step counts towards better health and improved venous return. Wearing the right footwear provides the necessary support for your arches and ankles, enhancing the effectiveness of every exercise you perform. Let's review. The ankle pump is your go-to move anytime you are sitting for long periods, like watching TV or traveling. The seated venous return. Engages your core and hips. Do not neglect this area as it powers your ability to walk. The calf pump walk builds endurance. It simulates walking without the impact, perfect for days when your joints feel a bit stiff. The single leg hold is your balance builder. It strengthens the micro muscles that keep you upright and safe from dangerous falls. And finally, the standing calf pump hold. The squeeze at the top is the magic moment for your deep vein health. Pair these exercises with a diet rich in antioxidants and low in sodium to further reduce swelling and support your veins. Monitoring your blood pressure is also wise. High blood pressure can strain your circulatory system, so keep an eye on it. At night, try elevating your legs slightly with a pillow. Gravity will work for you while you sleep, reducing morning swelling. Compression socks can offer additional support. Consult your doctor to see if they are a good addition to your daily routine. Always consult with your healthcare provider before starting any new exercise regimen, especially if you have existing heart or leg conditions. Exercise is more fun with friends. Invite a neighbor to join you in these daily movements for motivation and social connection. Deep breathing creates a pressure change in your chest that actually helps pull blood up from your legs towards your heart. Your body is an interconnected system. Strong legs support a strong heart, and deep breathing supports efficient circulation throughout your entire body. Here is a bonus tip. Simple ankle rotations. Rotate your ankles clockwise and counterclockwise to keep the joints lubricated and mobile. After your exercises, a gentle calf stretch against a wall keeps the muscles flexible and prevents cramping later in the night. Try to avoid crossing your legs for long periods. This habit can compress veins and hinder the blood flow we are improving. Make it a habit to stand up and move during every commercial break on TV. Break the cycle of sedentary behavior. Track your progress. Marking a calendar each day you exercise gives you a sense of accomplishment and helps build a streak. Imagine a life where your legs feel light and energized, where pain does not dictate what you can or cannot do. Functional strength allows you to handle daily chores like grocery shopping with ease, maintaining your independence and dignity as you age. You have the power to change your trajectory. It is never too late to start caring for your body and circulation. Every step you take with strong calves is a victory against gravity and aging. Cherish your mobility and protect it fiercely. At Health After 60, our mission is to provide you with the knowledge you need to live your best life possible. If you remember only one thing, remember the ankle pumps. Do them anywhere, anytime, to keep your blood moving and healthy. We would love to hear from you. Leave a comment below and tell us which exercise you found most helpful today. Join our growing community of active seniors who are taking charge of their health and refusing to let age slow them down. Every day is a new opportunity to improve. Start tomorrow morning with these 5 exercises and feel the difference for yourself. Thank you for spending your valuable time with us. We appreciate your trust and dedication to improving your personal health journey. Check out our other videos on heart health and joint pain relief to continue building a stronger, healthier body after 60. Health After 60 is here for you. We research the best medical advice so you can focus on living your life. Be patient with yourself. Results take time, but with consistency, you will see improvements in your swelling and your energy levels. Just like a river needs to flow to remain clean, your blood needs movement to keep you healthy. Keep flowing. Keep moving. Get ready to take on the day. Your legs are your pillars of support, so treat them with the care they deserve. Join the movement of healthy aging. You are not alone in this journey. We are walking this path right beside you. Please remember, this video is for educational purposes. Always seek professional advice for any specific medical concerns you may have. Happiness and health go hand in hand. Stay positive, stay active, and enjoy the beautiful years you have ahead of you. From all of us here at the team, we wish you strength, balance, and excellent circulation. Have a wonderful and active day. This has been Health After 60. Don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell for updates. See you in the next video.